guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today I'm going to be testing out a new hair tool, and the hair tool that I'm going to be testing out is actually from Revlon. So let's see if this one can be as good as their very trendy and famous Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I did a blowout, but as you guys can see, it's looking a little bit poofy, and I did that on purpose because I didn't want to leave it like super sleek. I want to actually be able to see if this can get my hair more sleek and less poofy. I have a section of hair that is like my natural curly hair, so I'm going to be straightening this section with this hair tool as well, just to kind of see if it works on my natural curly hair, to see if it straightens it. This retails for like $30. It was like $27, I think. I bought it on Ulta.com, and I don't know, I think that is an amazing price. So this has 5 different heat settings. I think I'm gonna just stick to the 3rd heat setting, which is for curly to thick hair. So this is how the hair tool looks. It's just like your regular looking like drugstore hair tool, like something that you could find at like Target, Walmart, you know, something simple. Now when I touch this, it feels a little bit rough. This is kind of like a plastic. It doesn't feel like a brush, but I don't know, we'll see how this works. I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, so right now it's on level 1. It's warming up. We're gonna go straight to level 3. If I need more, then I'll just do more. So it's warming up on level 3. When it stops blinking, I guess that's when it's all ready to use. Okay, so it stopped warming up, so that only took about 30 seconds, so that's pretty fast. I'm going to take this small section in the front, and I'm just going to straighten it with this. Let's see how this feels. The cord, I'll tell you guys, the cord is not the longest, but for $30 again, like, okay, so let's try this. Okay, I think it looks more sleek already, but let's do another pass. Okay, so it gave my ends a little bit of a bend, which I like. I think it looks very sleek, straight. I'm going to put it up to heat setting number 4. Okay, so I'm going to take another section at level 4, and let's see. I like that this doesn't get hot, so it really helps to use the hair tool better. I think I like the heat setting number 4 better. As you can see, this side already looks more sleek than this side, so it is doing something. I'm gonna try to get this side a little bit flat, and then we're gonna move on to my natural curly hair section. So I'm gonna be straightening this section of hair. Okay. Okay, so here's one pass. It's not the best pass, I'll be honest. Okay, so with 2 passes, it's still not as sleek as I would want it to be. So I'm just gonna do one last pass. Very slowly. Yeah. Okay. So with 3 passes, it does look nicer, and I still think it looks shiny. It's obviously not like the best hair straightener that I own, but it's really not bad for the price. Yeah, I have to do a couple of passes with this one. So just keep that in mind. It's not terrible, but I mean, it's just like $27, you know, like don't expect something that's gonna be like super good quality. It's just like your regular, like simple straightener. But yeah, I would just use this after a blowout. Nothing crazy. I wouldn't use this straight from curly hair because it's gonna take too long because you have to do a couple of passes. So I'm going to try to do curls with this tool in a couple of different ways. I'm gonna take a section of hair, I'm gonna flip the straightener. Oh yeah, this is pulling my hair. I would not use this. Yeah, I would not use this to curl my hair. Definitely not. Okay, so it's just like a little wave, a little curl. I'm going to lock this. Right here, it has a button that you can lock it, so now you can use it like this. So I'm going to grab the hair and I'm going to use this as a brush. So just going to lightly bring this down, flip the hair tool, and just kind of, oh, there you go. So it looks good, but it did pull my hair. I don't think I'm doing this right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look up maybe like a tutorial on the Revlon website and go from there, because I really want to make sure that I'm doing this right. So yeah, I just looked up how they use it on the Revlon website. So they pretty much use this how I was using it in the second method, which is like this. So basically it's not supposed to really curl your hair, it's supposed to just give you some volume and some shape on the ends. So yeah, it's just basically you pull it and you start twisting it. Supposed to just give your hair a little bit of volume, a little bit of bounce on the ends. I'm gonna do that here as well. So just take the tool and just start pulling it down like this. And that's what you're supposed to get. It's more like a little bit of a bounce. I do like that, but if I wanted to get some tight curls like how I would with a regular 1-inch straightener, I can't do that with this. This just doesn't work for that. It pulls my hair way too much and you don't get a nice looking curl. This is just to give you some volume. So that's something that they specified in their website. Oh, that's cute. I like that. That's cute. But yeah, I mean, if you want something simple, I do feel like this could be a really nice one for you. Just be careful because when you are doing this, it does pull your hair a little bit. So just keep that in mind. But I mean, so far it's looking really good. If you want more shape on the ends, just keep rolling it for a little bit. And then you should get something like this. Like that's very pretty. So far I'm liking it because it's giving my ends a little bit of bounce, so I'm going to do that with all my hair and hopefully I do get a very nice look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think my hair looks really nice. I like the waves that I get with this, but at the same time I'm not like crazy about this hair tool, you know what I mean? I like how my hair turned out, but I also feel like I have hair tools that I like better, so I probably won't be reaching for this again. I do feel like if you're just starting to straighten your hair, then this is a good one to start with. Like this is very affordable. It's like $27 or $30 and you can straighten your hair. You can also get some bounce on the ends, which looks really nice. You can get some volume. I think that it's an okay product. I'm not crazy about it, but I don't think it's bad, and I think that a lot of people would love this. So I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. This is not sponsored, obviously. I bought this with my money and this wasn't even sent to me, guys, so you know, I just want to clarify that. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. We're almost at 50K and I really want to make it to 100K. That's like my goal. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.